improving the water in the pool by changing the filter into wool ball. The common filter, when it gets clogged, it disturbs the water flow in the pool. And then you have to get a new one. Then I change the filter to wool ball. Before cleaning the filter, I will clean the pool. I'm gonna get a 3/4 of an inch hose and get in with a mask. I will get off the outlet filter. I'll take one side of the hose and I'll put it into the suction hole. Where's the other side? Woohoo! And immediately I get suction on the other side. Actually, we are doing a wonderful vacuum cleaning on the bottom. Have a look how it takes all the dirt. It is so simple, you can repeat it every few days, no problem whatsoever. Now we are getting to the pump. Don't forget to disconnect the electricity. After unscrewing the head, we take the water balls for cleaning. The only change in the pump is cutting a metal round net. Now we'll wash them in fresh water, no need for any cleaning material. Have a look how simple as that. And they are ready to get them back into the filter. And that's how they look, clean and ready to go. Okay, we'll close it. Have a look at the O-ring. Tighten it a little bit and get the pump back on the ground. Most important, we'll open up the ventilation. We'll let the water fill it up until there is no air. Otherwise, the pump is going to suck the air and we're not going to have any pressure at all. Until the water are out, close it. You can open it once more, just to make sure there is no air, and tie it back. Now we'll get the electricity back and let the pump start working. When you get all the bubbles out, you get a pump runs well. And this is the pressure that we get. Another trick. A PVC line on the bottom can cause wonderful circulation that's gonna save a lot of cleaning in the pool. we can see how the water stream shaking the leaf. Let's not forget putting back the interior filter. I stabilize the PVC line with the weight and feeling with my hand the water flow. We can see how the circulation moves the chlorine tank around. And it goes for hours. That's how we get wonderful clear water in the pool. Do subscribe into my channel, hit the boy under. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.